Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting new series on the advent of Cyber 2025 by TryHackMe. Over the next 24 days, we will embark on a thrilling journey to cybersecurity. For those who are new, TryHackMe is that cyber is a special event where each day we will be getting a new challenge by TryHackMe, which will test and improve our skills. Uh, from it's for everyone from beginner to advanced level, and not only you will be getting valuable knowledge, but you will also be part of vibrant community, and there is even a chance to win some amazing prizes. So it have already started on December 1, and it will run for next 24 days, and each day we will be getting a challenge, and within each challenge there will be several tasks we need to do. So it's kind of like a learn by doing, and the best thing, it's completely free. There are many prizes. You will be getting certifications after you will complete all those 24 challenges. You can view the prizes from here. Let me show you. So these are the prizes they are giving. But I think the things you will be learning, that's the real prize. Okay. So it have already started on December 1, and every day at 4 p.m. GMT you will be getting the next challenge which you will need to solve. So how to enter it? Just come on TryHackMe, log in, and I will drop the link for you for this in the description. So they have made it kind of story based, uh, kind of story behind it. So, so you need to save someone, and for that something have get hijacked, system are not working, kind of like that, and you need to uncover the truth, stop east mask and save south mask once again. So every year in the month of December, TryHackMe uh, do this advent of cyber. So this the first thing you should go through it, advent of cyber trip track, where you will learn like how to solve the way it will be, how to solve the challenges. So daily one new challenge will open. So this is the first challenge of December 1, December 2. I haven't yet solved any of them. So this is like this. See, so 24 challenges for next 24 days. And let me show you. Okay. So when you get there, I enter this room. It's kind of a preparation room where you will learn how the challenges will be going and where to solve them. From where you will get the virtual machine or attack box to practice your commands and the things you learn. See, within one challenges, there are several tasks, and by doing these tasks, you will be learning many things. Okay, for example, mm, right now let's do this task number 5, challenge number 5. Task 9, challenge 5. So, a story, then what we will learn. So, you need to read all of this. Okay, after reading, you will get exactly what you need to do in this particular task. Okay, so you have to follow some steps. After following some steps, you will get the answer which you need to enter here. Okay, for example, this is website. When you will gonna click website, the terminal will, this browser will gonna split into two parts. So here where you will be practicing your commands. Okay, the next command or different task. This is a kind of environment TryHackMe will give you, where you will solve and get the answer, and you need to put the answer here. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, we need to follow some steps, like we need to give some Linux command to get the answer. Let's do it. cd um, then we are in the directory. Now we need to list down the things inside the directory for which the command is ls. See, when you will write that command, you will learning by solving it. Okay, after that you need to read the message inside this file. You need to give this command cat, and that then that file name. So cat dot secret underscore message. So flag is in front of you, the hidden message. You will copy here, paste here, and check your answer. And if you don't get any answer, means you are struggling, then from here you can get the hint button. So it is like that. Okay, inside a challenge there will be several tasks, several challenges which you need to will solve. So let's do one more. Okay, for example, this password challenge. So here they are saying, so they're saying this password is normal, we need to just set up a strong password, and for that steps is given by them. Click on view site. So this is only one question. In some room there will be many questions. Some answers you will get from the theory part which you have read, and some questions answer you will go now get from the practical labs. Okay, so here the password is strong password. So let's click on update password. So these are the conditions. Okay. So password should be at least 12 characters, include upper, lower, number, and symbols. Include everything. Okay. Cyber. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see, all conditions are fulfilled. It's 12 characters, have uppercase letters, lowercase letters, number, and symbol, and it's not in password list. So when I submit it, see, password accepted. You got the cat, you will copy from here, paste it here, and then check the answer. So this is how it will be gonna like. So when you will do this room, this particular advent of cyber track, you will have the basic idea to start this challenge, and this is very exciting. I really recommend you guys to do it. Whether you are watching this video on day 1 or day 20, you can still enter in this challenge advent of cyber, because it's not compulsory to complete the first challenge on the first day. You can do the first challenge on the last day. So Whenever you find this video, I really recommend you to do the advent of cyber to learn the cyber security. Whether you are at beginner level or you are an expert, definitely it will be great, exciting, fun learning.